Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can make someone your group admin in WhatsApp. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, you have to tap on the chats in order to go to your chats right here. And after tapping on chats, open the chat of the group chat that you want to make someone the admin of. So after opening the chat of the group chat, now tap on the name of the group chat that you can see on the top right here. So after tapping on the group chat here, you can see your group information will be opened. In order to make someone your admin, you have to now scroll all the way down until you see the option of members. Here you can see currently in my group there are 3 members, so it is written 3 members, and under it you can see there are the options of add members, invite group via link, and name of the members. So in order to make someone the admin of your group chat, simply just tap on the person that you want to make the admin, just like this. And there you can see there is the option of make group admin. Simply just tap on make group admin in order to make them the admin of this group. And just like this, you can see they are now the admin of this group too. And that is it. That is how you make someone the admin of your WhatsApp group chat. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.